Meet our upgraded PiCar-B Metal Robot Kit. Compared with the acrylic edition, it boasts a robust, premium aluminum alloy chassis for enhanced durability and driving stability, alongside an OLED screen for real-time device status display. It is also equipped with WS2812 RGB LEDs for vivid status lighting. Explore powerful OpenCV AI vision and smart sensor capabilities. It offers multiple control modes plus real-time FPV video streaming.
Head left. Head right. Home. Head up. Head down. Home.
You also get complete open source code and step-by-step tutorials. Ideal for students, makers, and STEM classroom education.